Roland Quant and Win Future have published numerous photos of the Mini 4 Pro in arguably the most extensive leak yet for DJI's next drone. To recap, DJI has already teased that the Mini 4 Pro will debut on September 25, roughly 16 months after the release of its predecessor. Seemingly, the Mini 4 Pro will be a minor update over the Mini 3 Pro, with Quant referring to it as a small Air 3 feet. According to the leaker, DJI will ship the Mini 4 Pro with two battery types. Reportedly, DJI will include a smaller battery capacity in countries where a 249 grams weight limit applies, such as the EU and the UK. Quant reports that a 590 mAh battery will be bundled in these regions, limiting the Mini 4 Pro to 34-minute flight times. Elsewhere, a 850 mAh battery will provide an additional 11 minutes of flight time on a single charge. DJI will equip all variants with a single 48 megapixels camera, though that has an f1.7 aperture and a 24mm equivalent focal length. Moreover, the drone is expected to feature OcuSync 4.0 obstacle detection and enough range to transmit 1080p footage to an RC2 remote controller from up to 20 kilometers away. The DJI Mini 4 Pro will debut on September 25 for a rumored €799 or €129 with Fly More combo accessories and an RC remote controller. DJI has now confirmed the launch date of a new drone, which is expected to arrive as the Mini 4 Pro. While the company has sought to keep the drone under wraps, there have been several Mini 4 Pro related leaks in the last few weeks, some from third-party retailers. Now, more promotional images of the sub-249 grams drone have appeared online. As always, these have been reposted to Twitter by the likes of Jasper Ellens and Igor Bogdanov. Previously, only the front of the Mini 4 Pro had been shown, which appeared alongside leaked retail packaging. Thanks to the interpreted work of Jasper Ellens, the underside of DJI's upcoming drone can be seen, confirming the inclusion of bottom-mounted obstacle avoidance sensors. Also, DJI has included a small LED cluster for identifying the Mini 4 Pro when it is flying overhead. Meanwhile, Igor Bogdanov has published a marketing image of the same drone with its Fly More combo and RC2 remote controller. Rumored to retail for €129 in the Eurozone, the package will likely be the most expensive way of obtaining a Mini 4 Pro when it launches on September 25. Moreover, Jasper Ellens has provided evidence that DJI intends to release additional accessories too, such as ND filters, propeller protection, an ultra-wide-angle lens and a 4G dongle adapter. Unfortunately, it remains to be seen how much any of these other accessories will cost at this stage.